Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC60 on a 22 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key just here or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space. As you can see, there's a set of carpet mats that will come with this vehicle as well. You can increase this space further by folding down the rear seats should you wish to do so. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can firstly see all of the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the speedometer. We have the digital readout for the speedometer as well. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. Within that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. Of course, we're in park at the moment. We have the fuel gauge at the bottom on the right-hand side. And as you can see in the center at the moment, we have the satellite navigation information. You can change that should you wish to. And as you can see now, we have the trip computer for the car there, which includes the odometer. So the total miles for this car are 24,234. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using a second ago over here, we have our voice activation for our phone there as well. We have cruise control over on the left-hand side, and then in the center, you'll find the main touch screen for the vehicle. Up on here, it's really easy to use. I mean, it's very clearly labeled, as you can see, but you can access your Google Maps. So really nice, clear satellite navigation screen. We can come back out to the home screen from here and access our audio options. We got the radio, of course. You've got DAB and FM radio. You can listen to your own music as well. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, for example. But you can also, as you can see just there, connect up your phone and have Apple CarPlay and everything that comes with that. Down the bottom, you then have car status, so your fuel economy and those sorts of things can all be displayed inside that section. And at the very bottom just here, we can open up our climate control menu. So you can change the direction the air is being distributed in. You can turn your air conditioning on and off. You can adjust the fan speed all the way up and down from here. You can, of course, adjust the driver temperature and passenger temperature as well. Below that, we have some physical controls. So the volume for your stereo, you can skip tracks from here. We have a heated rear screen. We can send the air conditioning to the front screen from here. We have our hazard warning lights as well, of course. A 12-volt charging socket. Wireless charging available here, so if your phone charges wirelessly, pop it on this pad and it will begin to charge. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, and then this dial which will start and stop the engine for the car. So twisting it, the car's running at the moment, so that's now switched it off. Pop your foot on the brake and it's now started again. You just need to make sure the key is in the car with you, of course. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for this car. So firstly, you can see the V5 registration document showing it's a one-owner car from new. That's the spare key you're looking at there. So this is a 2-key vehicle. And then we have 2 services for the car, the most recent of which was done on the 19th of March this year, 2024. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video walk around of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.